Be completely honest with me. How many notebooks have you lost or forgotten somewhere? Or just never opened after the first week? I had like 5 of them last year. 5. Just maybe 2. And I used to think my iPad was basically a fancy YouTube machine or whatever. Like, yeah, I take some notes on it sometimes, but nothing really serious. Then at some point, I actually sat down and figured out how to use it for studying, and yeah, it's a completely different experience now. Here's what I think the actual problem is. It's not that you don't study, you do, but everything is everywhere. Notes in one place, PDFs in another, some random screenshots from a lecture on your phone, a voice memo you forgot about, and then the night before an exam, you know what I mean? You're sitting there like, where did I write that thing about cell division or whatever? You know you wrote it, but you can't find it properly. So here's what I did. I built a system, and it's actually really simple. Step 1, I write everything by hand with Apple Pencil, just using the regular notes app that's already on the iPad. Nothing fancy, but it's so much better than paper because you've got folders. You can drop images in, you can undo when you mess up, and it all syncs with your phone and laptop, so you always have your notes, always. And look, writing by hand is super important, of course. You actually remember stuff better when you write it out. That's not me saying that. That's actual science. But the problem with handwriting notes has always been the same. You can't search them. You can't just hit Ctrl F on your notebook, right? And this is the part that changed everything for me. PDFelement. You take your handwriting notes, or honestly any document, any scan, anything, and it turns out into actual text, searchable text. So like, I wrote 20 pages of biology notes over 3 weeks. Before, if I needed to find something about photosynthesis or whatever, I have to sit there and flip through all of the pages. Now I just type it in, done, it's right there. And it's not just the search thing. You can highlight stuff, add comments, put bookmarks on it. So for example, if you've got like 10 PDFs from 10 different lectures, merge them, one file, one subject, everything together. When exams come around, you don't have to rebuild anything. It's already there. You just open it and start reviewing. Let me tell you what my actual day looks like now. I go to a lecture, I take some notes with Apple Pencil, I come home, open PDFelement, scan those pages, convert them, and I highlight the key stuff and merge it with what I had from last week. Takes me maybe 15 minutes. Then at night, I just go through my highlights, and here we go. Everything is super simple. No all-nighters trying to figure out where everything is. Honestly, your iPad can be a real study system, not just a screen you watch stuff on. PDFelement is the piece that makes it all work. Because without being able to search and organize your notes, you're just doing the same thing you did with paper notebooks. And we both know how that turned out. So actually how it works. And thank you so much for attention, and use your iPad with your mind.